Hi friends, in today's lecture we'll be studying how to do mail merge using Microsoft Excel and Microsoft Word. So here you can see that we would require two files. One is the Excel file in which the list of names and addresses and email would be present, and the second is the text file in Word which would contain the common letter. So what we want to do, we want to pick up one name and address from the Excel file, and we want to pick up the common letter from Word and merge them. And we want to keep on doing this for all the records which are present in the Excel file. This process is called as mail merge and is widely used in offices. So let me show you how to do the same. So here you can see that I have an Excel file in which the field names are first name, last name, address for line 1, address for line 2, city, state, pin code, and the email address. This file is already provided to you and the link for that is given in the description of this video. So this is the Excel file and the name of this file is data.mailmerge.xls. Now let me show you the Word file. This is the Word file in which the common letter is present. So it's just a small invitation letter, and what I want to do is I want to take one name and address from Excel and merge it with this letter. So in order to do that, you have to open the Word file. So right now that file is already open and we are present in Microsoft Word. In order to begin the mail merging, you have to click in the mailings which is present in the menu over here, and there you have start mail merge and there's a drop down next to it. Click on that and select step by step mail merge wizard. After that it would ask you select the document type. So whether the document is a letter, whether it is an email, envelope, label, or a directory. In our situation, it is a letter, so we select letter and then we click on next. Then it is asking how do you want to set up your letter? Use the current document, or you want to start from a template, or you want to start from the existing document. So I want to use the current document. So I would click on next. Now it is asking me to select the recipients. Now for selecting the recipients, I would use an existing list. So I would click on browse and I would point out to my Excel file which is data mailmerge.xls, and I would open it. So in my Excel file there are 3 sheets. It is asking me that with which sheet I would like to merge. Obviously in my scenario the data is in sheet 1, so I would select sheet 1 and click on OK. Now it is showing me all the fields from my Excel file, and if by default everything is selected, but if I want I can uncheck them and select only the ones which I want to do the mail merge with. Now in this example we'll select all and then we would click on OK. After we have done that, we click on the next step, and here it is asking me, do you want to insert an address block? So yes, I want to insert an address block. So it will show me a format, and I would click on OK. Then after dear, I want to write down the first name. So what I would do is I have this option insert merge field. I would select that, and here it is showing me all the field names from my Excel file. So I would select first name and then I would give a comma. Now my mail merge is technically over. So I would just click on next, preview your letters. So you can see the letters and you can go to the next by using this navigation bar, or you can come to the first record, last record, previous record, next record, and so on. Finally, you can click on finish and merge to merge these data, and then you can merge it into individual documents or print the document or even send email messages. So remember friends that this mail merge can be used for a number of reasons. In this scenario, it's just an invitation for a dinner, but it can also be used as a reminder for payments receivable, payments due, and so on. Hence, mail merge is an integral part of the corporate industry. Hope you have learned something new in this particular video. And if you have liked this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next lecture. Till that time, goodbye.